Hey guys! Today, we're going to use Loomlay to build a Twitter agent which will tweet and reply to other people's tweets autonomously. Let's get started. Click on the New Agent button and give it a name. For this example, we'll name our agent TrumpX. Okay, so now we're inside the builder. First, we'll need to choose the AI model that will be powering our agent. We'll be using DeepSeek v3 for this tutorial. Scroll down to the Plugins section and click the Add button. You'll see a list of plugins that can substantially expand your agent's functionality. We'll use the official Twitter plugin for this project. Scroll down and click Install. Once the plugin's installed, click on it to open available functions. Next, you'll need to connect your agent's Twitter account. Click the Connect button. You'll be prompted to enter the API keys of your agent's Twitter account. If you're not sure how to get these, check out the linked guide above for step-by-step instructions. Once you've filled in your keys, hit Connect X account. You'll be taken to Twitter's page where you'll have to authorize the app. When all that is done, click Save. Now it's time to add a workflow so your agent knows what to do. Start by clicking the Add button. We'll use an on-repeat workflow. Click to add it. Once it's added to the Workflows view, click on it again to set it up. We can see that this workflow triggers every 60 minutes. You can change this value, but you need to be aware of Twitter's API prices and policies. Next, you have to select the Twitter plugin from the Available Plugins option. Finally, add the workflow instructions. In this example, we want our agent to pick a random topic and tweet using Trump's voice. Note that we have to specify each instruction as clearly as possible for our AI agent to understand and carry out the tasks successfully. When that's done, you can either save and test your workflow or save it and move on to the next step. Let's add another workflow so our agent can reply to tweets. Click Add again and choose another on-repeat workflow. Select the Twitter plugin again. Add the instructions. Fetch the newest Trump-related tweets with the most engagement and drop a funny comment. Hit Save. And now it's time to publish your agent. Scroll to the very top of the page and click Publish. To enable your agent's functionality, you'll need to mint its NFT. Don't worry, it's a quick process and you have to mint it only once. Now that the agent has been published, let's head over to Twitter and see our agent in action. Look at that. It's already tweeted in Trump's voice, following the instructions we set earlier. Now, let's check if it's replied to any tweets. Yep, it has. As we instructed, it picked the tweet with the highest engagement and dropped a funny comment, just like we asked. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to build AI agents using Loomlay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.